What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, NYSBGamal. Know it's been a while, but back at you. Got a couple videos in store for you over the next few days or so. But right here, I wanted to showcase this because this is my homeboy's clothing line right here. Or he has a store. You know what? I don't even actually know if it's a clothing line, so let me not say that. But he owns a couple stores here in the DMV area. Two in Maryland, one in VA. And so down at the Harbor, he had one, Annapolis Mall, as well as Pentagon. And so the name of the store is called Core. And you'll see, I did a close-up in certain parts too. It's called Shop Core USA. And I'll link the website and I'll show some stuff from the website. But it's Core USA. But right here, I went ahead and got, so this is my birthday weekend. So I wanted to support him too, though. But you can see we got the shorts here. I'm a medium, you know your boy's a medium right here. And see, we have the shorts right here. I like the little stitching right here and the little logos you guys can see, the C for the core, which kind of matches the logo. And so these are the shorts right here, nice little cargo shorts, medium. I'm gonna go ahead and rock these today. Birthday weekend, went ahead and threw on the Big and Jay-Z Brooklyn's Finest shirt, and then I'm gonna probably just wear my the OG 95s. So we're gonna wear that, and that's what we rock with today. But I'll do a put it on so you guys can see. But I like these. These look like these about to be real comfortable, real nice. The material is nice. It's smooth. I like these little the drawstrings or whatever. I'm a material guy. Material on these feels nice. I like this. The elastic part and things, I feel like it could be partially what you used to get with the how H&M was doing it for a little bit, but also got some of the thickness from like the old school Champion or Russells. Now back in the day, you know, you rock the Russells, you rock the Champions. Oh, I didn't even realize that. We got some deep pockets here, so it looks like you got some stuff on this side too. Plus, you got the actual pocket space. So this joint does come with tons of pockets, and I like it. My wife hates when I do that because I'm always throwing stuff in the pockets. But we got pocket space. But I'm going to throw the link in there. I'm going to show you some of the clothes that are on the site, too, because I do want you guys to check it out. But, yeah, Shop Core USA is where you can find this at, and other stuff on there. Also, he does do the sneakers. So the Yeezys, I was supposed to be wearing that. I got my pair of Yeezys. But my wife is telling me that it's a birthday gift, and so I can't open it till Monday. It's Saturday. I was planning on wearing it today, but such is life, right? But yeah, look for more videos and things of that nature. I hope to get him on one day so he can kind of go into more depth about the store and things of that nature, so we can support people. The only way in which Black people are ever going to reach a place of prominence and wealth to the degree where you can build generational wealth is begin supporting one another, and to know that somebody I personally know is actually running 3 legitimate stores in malls, at the Harbor, at National Harbor. I know we got Baltimore Harbor too, but I'm talking about the one in DC, the National Harbor, as well as Pentagon City Mall, as well as Annapolis Mall. That's big things, and I don't even think he's 30 yet. Maybe he's 30. I'm not sure. But we just want to show him some love, man. So yeah, this is great. I'm gonna be rocking these. You'll see these on later. I do a fit or whatever. But as always, hope you guys have a wonderful, blessed, productive, stress-free day, weekday, weekend, everything. Till next time.
Clean your house, clean your house.
You can walk away, walk away. Dreams, only in my dreams. Your dreams, you can't just walk away.
It seemed the more you fight, more it wanna cling to you. The more you close your ears, louder it'll sing to you. Further you walk away, closer it appears to you. Touch, taste, feel, smell. Yeah, that real to you. When you can't sleep, you up to the AM. And you've been praying, hoping that God'll hear you. And He would say things, hoping that He prepare you. A place for success, though success scares you. I'd be lying saying it doesn't scare me. I know it does, but I know that God prepared me. I'd be lying saying I didn't want millions, but more than money saved, I wanna save children. Dreams.